Hello, Kishu inu token guys. Kishu inu token are still going negative. So, guys, what should we do at this time? Is it a good time to buy, sell, or hold Kishu inu token? Because it's completely going dumping in the market. What should we do in a right now situation? A lot of holders confused. Let me show you what's the prediction about Kishu inu token and what's the future. First of all, guys, don't worry about Kishu inu token. Kishu inu token is a very best coin, and I'm hope, guys, that one day they will give you a huge profit. But remember, guys, Kishu inu token is a long-term investment project, so you have to invest for long term. Just buy Kishu inu token and forget it for a years. For a years, and after years, you win the price $1 dollar. So just imagine your profit from Kishu inu token, guys. Anyways, the right now price of Kishu inu token is, you can see here, I can't count the number of zeros, so 5.25% negative changes occur in the last 24 hours. Wow, guys, that's also good news that 1.64% trading volume is positive. So that there is possibilities that Kesho price becomes positive and they will start positive changes. The price will start pumping. So just wait, guys. Just wait now. The trading volume positive. So if trading volume is positive, that's mean that now people start investing. So if people start investing, as a result, the market supply increase, and if supply increase, so the price will start increasing, the price will start pumping, guys. So as I told you, guys, it's a really good point for investment because the price is very cheap, and especially it's good for long-term investment for years, for months. I recommend for all of you. The future of Kishu is very bright, and my prediction is that, guys, that in the beginning of 2022 there is possibilities that Kishu will give you a surprise pump. So just wait, don't decide to sell Kishu inu token holders. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay connected with us for more update and news videos.